The Mini Countryman has used two types of 2-liter diesel engines, both engineered by BMW. Model years 2011 to 2016, so the first generation of the Countryman used the N47 C20A engine. While the engine is overall quite reliable, it has significant issues with the timing system. The chain is pretty thin and will stretch at 120,000 kilometers or 60-70,000 miles. Replacement is quite expensive in terms of both parts and labor. Also, at this mileage you may have a worn-out crankshaft pulley, which is important to check when replacing the chain. Also, the cooling system loves giving you small leaks and making your life more interesting in your attempts to find the reasons for the leaks. Usually the reasons are the correct connections or seals in the system. At high mileage you will have issues with the intake manifold flaps that are covered in carbon and soot and stop working properly, giving you the check engine light with random intake related codes. And also high mileage cars suffer a lot from the EGR valve and DPF issues, which is a common diesel engine problem, not just the issue with the N47 model. Then in 2017 Mini offered the new generation of the Countryman, changing the 2-liter diesel engine to B47 C20A. Now the cooling system became more reliable and stopped bothering you with minor leaks. Also, the chain was reinforced and now it can last over 200,000 kilometers or 120,000 miles without rattling. But the flaps in the intake system keep doing the same thing. They stop working because of carbon buildup and require regular cleaning. Also, the EGR, which is called AGR in BMW engines, became even less reliable. There was a recall for the EGR for certain model years, so BMW and Mini basically confirmed that the valve is problematic. Unfortunately, even after recall upgrades, the AGR systems are not reliable at all. Other than that, the engines are good and not really problematic. They can last over 250,000 kilometers or 160,000 miles without major issues. After that, you will inevitably get problems with emission-related equipment, intake, fuel injection system, or also a set of standard minor issues like coolant leaks.